as your front bar, where the bartender will make some food and make some cocktail and he will serve it to the guest. As you have read, this area, the area which touches the floor and the front bar, this area is actually known as your bar dial. Okay. Now, if sometime happen that, let's assume that this is our bar and the guest is also coming over here, and sometimes guest want to sit here and want to enjoy the drink. For this, there is something small tables are here. This is no chairs are here. This is known as a bar stool where the guest can take a rest and everything. So once again, back bar, that's the display area. Front bar, bar dial. Okay. Now I will go inside this bar and Mr. Vexer, please come closer. So now you can take a look. I am entering this bar. Okay. This is my back area. I have entered in my bar area. So we'll take a look at little bit of ingredient knowledge. Then we show a display. The thing which is have in my hand right now is known as a bar spoon to mixing the drink. As we all know, this is a glass called Tom Collins. Now a spoon cannot go inside. So for this reason, this thing has been used. Okay. Followed by this is known as a heartworm strainer. How it is been used, we're going to take a look at that. This is known as a cocktail shaker, or we can also call it Boston shaker. It has two parts. One is this one and one is this one. So you put this cocktails and everything mixture inside, which we'll learn in the final year. Then you shake it, and while you serve it on the glass, you can serve something like this with the use of this strainer. Now, why this strainer has been used? The purpose behind this using of this strainer is that, just hold on. So the purpose of this strainer is basically if there is any ice is there, it will get strained back and the water is actually fall down here. So that's how the thing happens over here. Now we will also learn about this fact. This is known as a peg measure. This is nothing but a life of a bartender. So if you don't have a peg measure, you cannot serve an alcohol anywhere in the bar. Now in the banquet you can do. Banquet is just open the bottle and serve. But here it is really not possible. This is our 30 ml and this one is 60 ml. This is designed by the Excise Department of India. So obviously you cannot play with this thing. You cannot play. You can play with everything, but you cannot play with this one. As we are talking about bitters, so this is the one we have got. This is known as Angostura bitter. Now, Beg sir, you can come a little closer. You can take a look. There is a picture. You can take a look. It's called Angostura bitter, and this is from Trinidad and Tobago. Bartender's life. Now, once again, this is also very essential for a bartender. This is known as a Tabasco sauce. This is your WC sauce we can call, or we can also call it Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Okay. This is we have already seen coaster. This is your orange cordials, lime cordials, blue Coratio, like a blue lagoon cocktails and mocktails are made with this set. Now we have already seen the glass. Okay. Another important thing we have got. Take a look at this. It's very interesting to understand. It's called ice bucket. Now in ice bucket there is ice tong. This is also tong and this is also tong. इन दोनों tongs में क्या difference दिख रहा है आपको? Simple बात है, इस tong से हम chicken, fish, vegetable कुछ भी पकड़ सकते हैं. But when there is ice, there is a chance of slippery. So to avoid the slipperiness, there has to be something which can hold the ice like this, because ice is water and water will tend to slip. Whatever you do, even if you are the best bartender on the planet, it will tend to slip. So that's the reason this ice packs are not, tongs are not used. Instead, this one should be used. Okay, right. So let's take an example. A guest has arrived in the bar right now, and he has ordered for. So guest has come to the hotel, and he say, take a look it over. Now remember one thing: this displays are done such a way because these things are there in the menu. So guests take a look at the menu, and then they will order. Okay, I will go for a Jim Beam. Even they don't take a look at the menu also, because guest will think whatever there in the display, इसका मतलब ये यहाँ पे. अब जैसे कि समझ लीजिए दुकान में अगर कोई लिवाइस का जीन्स बिक रहा है, तो हम एक पुतले के ऊपर लिवाइस का जीन्स सजा के रखते हैं. Why we do this thing? We do this because the customer will able to know, चलो लिवाइस का जीन्स अंदर है. तो same way इसका मतलब है कि this bar sells Jim Beam whiskey. Guest comes and order for a Jim Beam whiskey. What will happen now? He asks that I want a Jim Beam whiskey with soda and ice. Okay. Alright, so now the guest has come and he said to me that can I get a glass of 30 ml Jim Beam whiskey? So he has taken look at here and he said that the Jim Beam is available, so order for Jim Beam. 99% of the bartender, what they do, they take the bottle from the display. No, never. अगर कस्टमर आके आपको लिवाइस की जीन्स की ऑर्डर करता है तो डू यू गो टू द बार, डू यू गो टू द आउटसाइड पुतला एंड टेक द जीन्स आउट एंड यू सर्व? नो, यू नेवर टच द डिस्प्ले बॉटल. I have a speed rail. Heard about speed rail? Here all the ingredients are kept. I have already one Jim Beam bottle here. This is just to show. So what I'll do, I will make the salver here on. This is my bar. So I said that I want a 30 ml whiskey with soda and ice. So this is my soda I've already made. Now this is my whiskey. Since I know the guest has asked for a 30 ml, take a look at this. This is very interesting. So this is my Jim Beam. You can see the Jim Beam. And I am pouring on the 30 ml side. 30 ml वाले में मैं इसको ऐड कर रहा हूँ. जैसे ही मैंने देखा, बिग सर कैन कम क्लोजर, टेक अ लुक. तो जैसे ही आपका यहाँ पे 30 ml देखिए कंप्लीट हो गया, एग्जैक्टली 30 ml है. I will just simply go and I'll take my old fashioned glass and I'll serve. It's already been done. Back end में ये होता है. Okay? This is here. Now he also said that I need some ice also. So I'll take some ice here. Doesn't require that you need always a this thing. Also, you need to carry to coaster with yourself. And once my salver is ready, I know that I am confident to move. Then I'll move ahead. So basically, what will happen in this case also, we'll also add when there's a guest comes to the bar. The way we go to the restaurant, and we all know that we have to also serve like a napkin. We not napkin ke we should not serve anything. Same way there has to be a cocktail napkin which is to be placed over here. So I have put a cocktail napkin. The salver is already been set. I will not take this salver. Instead I will come out of the bar. मैं bar से बाहर आऊँगा. And then I will come over here. Now here there is no show off. We will not going to show the bottles or something because it's not a wine. It's a whiskey. And we are serving in front of you. So the guest is here. Once again, same concept. What is my right hand side? This is going to be my right hand side. So I'll obviously go over here. And then I'll put my right leg forward. You can take a look. I'll place my coaster. Once again, since it is a bar table, if we assume this is a bar table, so there is no other thing on the table. So obviously, we'll keep the coaster first. I'll keep my napkin. This is a cocktail napkin. Then I put my 30 ml of, so this is your 30 ml of Jim Beam whiskey. Remember one thing, my salver should not be here. It has to be here. Okay? 30 ml of Jim Beam whiskey, that's how we should put. Okay? And followed by, I'll ask that, would you like some cube of ice? He says yes. Carefully has to be. And here is a very interesting thing to see. Take a look. This is the ice. I'll take this ice. I'll go here. Now what will happen if I leave this? The tongue will touch the glass like this. This is extremely unhygienic. Do not do it. Never ever do it. So what is to be done instead? Pick up the ice, go over here and leave it like this. Or else you can leave it here. But remember one thing, this should not touch here. This is very unhygienic because this is going everywhere. So guest will touch his mouth here and it's really unhygienic. So that's the reason it has to be served close here and then you can come back. Now guest says yes. How many cubes of ice? Is there 2 cubes of ice? We add 2 cubes of ice and then you add. Would like to go for soda. While you are serving, you should ask the guest also this question. Very very important phraseology. Please suggest me when to stop. Please suggest me. ऐसे नहीं आपने डालना शुरू कर दिया. Should ask the guest. Please suggest me, sir, when to stop. So, sir, please, I am pouring the soda. Please let me know when to stop. So you will serve, and then you will say that yes, please stop. So you can stop. Will you take it back? No, you will not take it back. You will place one more coaster here, and you will place the soda on the table. That's how you should serve a whiskey. Same way, all the drinks should be served like this. If there is a vodka, it has to be served in a Tom Collins glass. If there is a rum, it has to be served in a Tom Collins glass. Whiskey is only served in a cocktail glass. Gin has to be served in a Tom Collins glass again. Now soda or water ice. But the concept remains the same. Concept exactly remains the same. Thank you very much.